Hello everyone, I'm Mario and I welcome you to the DIY Carpenter channel. I am going to share with you all the knowledge that I gained in 20 years of building plywood furniture. In my tutorials you will see tools, tips and tricks, accessories, and designing software so you can design and build your own furniture and more. So let's stop talking and let's get to work. Let me show you a super useful tool for home use, carpentry and metalworking workshops. I wanted to buy one for a long time and now that I have it, I thought I would share with you how to use this tool. We will see when and how to use it, what it helps with, and many other interesting things, so stay tuned until the end so you can be an informed craftsman. In the next few minutes, I will present to you some benefits of this tool and how to adjust it. However, I am sure that your imagination can go further than that and you will find multiple other applications. It's time to introduce you to the tool known as disc sander, which comes with a mobile stand and several accessories that I will present in this tutorial. Before using it, always check if the angle between the stand and the actual sanding disc is the necessary angle. In my case, 90 degrees. We have in this image the main basic accessory, which contains a rail that glides on the mobile stand. There are multiple possibilities to adjust angles, and I will show you the most common settings where I sand the plates at 90 and 45 degrees. The machine handles more than decently when using metal materials such as iron, aluminium, copper, steel, and many others. Of course, the abrasive disc can be replaced and is available in various grids depending on your project's needs. As I mentioned before, angles of different degrees can be achieved. I chose to sand this board at 45 degrees because it is a common procedure in carpentry. With the help of a pencil and an adjustable square, I drew a line and cut it with a jigsaw. I left some excess material which I will sand with the help of this new tool, the new star of my workshop. As I said, it can also handle iron. Let's see what it can do with this 3 mm thick misaligned rectangular piece that I previously cut with the angle grinder. Alright, next on the list is the multi-layer plywood. This one has a thickness of 30 mm and we can draw different markings on it for sanding. I will choose a slightly more challenging angle and an equally challenging radius for the sake of the example. Let's see how the machine handles this material. If you've been wondering about the purpose of this guard and why we can't use the right half of the disc, here's the answer. Because I mentioned the existence of a mobile stand, let's see how this accessory helps us. The machine has a specially designed pipe for dust extraction built into it, so it can be connected to an extraction system or a vacuum cleaner. Attention! When sanding metal, we should not use a dust extraction system. This is very dangerous because the hot iron dust and chips can mix with the sawdust in the bags, resulting in a fire hazard. As someone who has suffered from a few cut tendons and a permanently crooked finger due to ignoring the safety measures, I recommend using this angle grinder only with the guard provided and protective goggles. If you like my tutorial, leave a like, a comment with your thoughts on this video, and even ideas for my future episodes. Bye bye! Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and check out my other interesting tutorials.